Hi friend, today we going to discuss the 440 problem series का फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन पर जो कि this is very interesting. Let's go to see the question. The question is, let a equal to sin 1 by n plus cos 1 by n belongs to n. Find oblique determine the following topological fact. It is clear that this is a question related to point set topology in R. First option, A interior, collection of all interior point. Actually, first we find A upper knot, which is the collection of all interior point. Let's we determine it at first. Explanation of option 1. A is given sin 1 by n and cos 1 by n such that n belongs to n. Now we want to determine A naught. A naught is the collection of all interior point of A. What is the definition of interior point? A point is said to be interior point of A if A is the neighborhood of that point, but there is no point in the set A which is the interior point of A. That's why A upper knot, that is collection of all interior point, equal to phi. Next we see option C. Option 2, A dash, collection of all limit point. Actually this is known as derived set. Now we find this for this set. Explanation of option 2. Limit point given A equal to this sin 1 by n plus cos 1 by n. As n tends to infinity, 1 by n goes to 0. That's why sin 1 by n goes to 0. As n tends to infinity goes to 0. That's why cos 1 by n goes to 1. So the derived set contains only one point, this. Next we find the closure of A. Closure of A means collection of all adherent point of A. Let's we find this. Explanation of option 3. We know A closure is equal to A union A dash. Already we find A dash. Just put the value. A is sin 1 by n plus cos 1 by n such that n belongs to n union 1. This is the closure of A. Next we find iso of A. Iso of A denotes the collection of all isolated point of A. Let's it find explanation of option 4. Already we know ISO of A equal to A minus A dash. A minus A dash. So putting value A equal to cos of 1 by n plus sin of 1 by n such that n belongs to n minus 1. So this is cos of 1 by n plus sin of 1 by n, which is A. That is, in this case, ISO of A equal to A. Next, this is also. Now we verify this set A is open or not. To check it open or not, we first have to know a result. What is the result? Explanation of option 5. A set X is said to be open if and only if X into or equal to X. Already we got, in this case, A into or equal to 5 not equal to A. That's why it valued this result. It is necessary and sufficient, so we can confirmly conclude that this set is not open. Therefore this set A is not open. Next, we verify this set is closed or not. Explanation of option 6. Explanation of option 6. To check this is closed or not, first we know a result. A set X is said to be closed if and only if X closure is equal to X. What we get? Closure of A. We already get closure of A equal to sin of 1 by n plus cos of 1 by n such that n belongs to n union 1, which is not equal to A. That's why this set is not closed by this result. Therefore, the set A is not closed. Next we find this set is bounded or not, and also sup of A and infimum of A. Explanation of option 7. Explanation of option 7. Given sin 1 by n plus cos 1 by n, just 1 by sin 1 by n plus 1 by root 2 into cos 1 by n. This is cos of pi by 4. This is 1 by n. This is sin pi by 4. This is cos 1 by n. To use a trigo, we can write pi by 4 into 1 by n. We know, already we know sin pi by 4 1 by n. This is 1 and minus 1. Now we multiply this inequality by root 2. Root 2 into sin into pi by 4 plus 1 by n less equal root 2. So it is this is this. So that's why this set is bounded. Root 2, if this is an upper bound, this is lower bound. So from this we can say the set A is bounded. Therefore the set A is bounded. Also we have to find sup of A and infimum of A. So sup of A equal to root 2 and infimum of A equal to minus root 2. Next we find compact. Explanation of option 8. Explanation of option 8. To find this set is compact or not, first we know a result. A set X is said to be compact if it is closed, if and only if it is closed and bounded. Already we know this set is not closed. That's why by this result we can say that this set is not compact. Therefore A is not compact. Now we check this set is perfect or not. To check it, first we know the definition of the perfect set. A set X is said to be perfect if X dash equal to X. That is, if all of the members of X are the limit point of X, then the set X is perfect. Mathematically, we write X dash equal to X. In case of A, what we get A dash? We get A dash equal to 1, which is not equal to A. That's why this set is not perfect. This set A is not perfect. Now we check the last result. Discrete. The set A discrete or not? Explanation of option 11. A set X is said to be discrete if ISO of X equal to X, that is all the members of the X are the isolated point of X, then the set X is known as discrete set. What we get? Already we get ISO of A equal to A, that is in case of A, ISO of A equal to A. That's why this set is discrete. Therefore, this set A is discrete. If this question is connected or not, please give the answer in the comment. Only another result, this set is connected or not.